Good morning, children. In a previous class, I taught something about the boy who drew cats, and today also I am continuing the same chapter, the boy who drew cats. The boy who drew cats, it is on page number 71. Chapter 6, page number 71. See, this particular boy is very much interested. He is talented in drawing and therefore he wants to become an artist, as I told you in my previous class. He is not interested in his father's business, or he doesn't want to become a farmer. He doesn't want to become farmer. And therefore he shows his talent. He always draws kite. So what is he doing? He is drawing kites wherever he goes, and therefore wherever he goes he draws kites. And therefore his father and parents or mother and brothers and sisters have decided to send him somewhere like a hostel, and therefore he will be there, and they are going to send him now. You see now. He loved to draw just one thing: cats, small cats, big cats, thin cats, and fat cats. Joji, you must stop drawing. How will you ever be a farmer? So, if you go continuously drawing this particular cat, how will you become a farmer? But this particular boy is least bothered to become a farmer. So now he says, his father is saying, how will you become a farmer if you continuously draw the kites? See, next line you see what this particular boy is telling. Joji is telling, I am sorry, father, I will try to stop. So he says, I am sorry, I will not draw this particular kite or kites. So I will stop it. But then again he forgets and then he starts drawing. Next paragraph you see. And Joji did try. He was trying to stop but he couldn't. But whenever he saw one of the farm kites go by, he forgot about work and drew another kite. So he was helping his father and especially father in the farm work. But whenever he saw the farm kites going and moving from one place to another place, he again started drawing the kites. So what was his talent was, he was very much talented or very much interested, in other words we can say, he was very much interested in drawing. Therefore, he leaves the work and then he starts drawing the cat. Next line. Joji will never be a farmer. See, his father is telling, you will never be a farmer. See, my dear children, we have to keep in mind. See, today, these days, our parents want that our or my child should become a doctor or a teacher or an engineer. See, they cannot force us, because what is interested to us we should do. If I am not interested in becoming a teacher or becoming an engineer, then I should not go for that, because I am interested in some other things. So it is not my interest. Therefore, nobody should force others. Rather, we should go according to our talent or our own interest. Next line you see, maybe he could be a priest. So they think that he could be a what? See, their desire, their parents' desire is to make him a priest. See, what do they want? They want him to become a priest. A person one who will be remaining, a person one who will be remaining in the temple and do the pujas. So they want to make him a priest here. You see, maybe he could be a priest. Why don't you take him to a temple? So he is not interested in farming work. So let us take him to the temple. Let us take him to the priest. He will be getting the training and then he will become a priest one day. So, my dear children, his parents, this Jyoti's parents have decided to take him to the temple. But let us see what will happen to this particular boy. I will continue in my next class. Thank you very much to everyone.